G'day, Cheesy's Customs back again. It's a bit early in the morning. It's about 6:30, and yeah, I'm gonna do some bit more work on this. As you see, that the body's off, and yeah, we got a few things to tidy up inside the car. I'll just take some few bits and mounts out because I'm gonna make some bars and stuff and steering racks and stuff, and then yeah. So I'm just making this section here to make the new swing arms, and yeah, and then hopefully Toddy is going to come around and give me a hand. We're going to mount this cage down, and then add some bars there to there, there, and then finalize it. Then we can put that body on. I'll try and get some video footage as we go, but Todd likes to play the radio up loud, so I might just put it on super fast, if you know what I mean. But yeah, as if too, coming at you. Sexel, that's what I should call it. Nah, hey. Okay, as if. Hey, the sun's coming up. Got a bit of welding there, so now we start grinding. Fun. Yeah, grinding. Best thing. Anyway, it's got to get done. People don't realise how many hours goes into building something stupid, you know. Then they're like, can you build me one? Unless you've got a spare 70 hours up your sleeve. No worries. Still going at it. Anyway, I'll just trim out the inside so nothing gets caught. Both sides. And yeah. Todd's like a dentist. Say hi, Todd.
Hi, Todd.
You meant to go like this, the dentist.
Hi, Todd.
Anyway, we're getting slowly getting the front done. So we got fucking some plates put in there. Bars put at the front so we can do a front clip. Then we gotta join this bar to this bar, and then we put the shell back on. Hooray! If it falls apart, Todd welded it. Here you going, Todd. Alright, another modification we're gonna be doing. Cheesy Customs. But customizing some shit. By taking this thing that used to fit this thing, and we're gonna mod it to run that thing. So yeah, what we're gonna do, take the ball joint out, because the VTVXs, I've gave it a couple little measurements. And we're going to fit VTVX ball joints in it. And then we're going to run that on the lower control arm. We're going to zip it off right here. We're going to plate it off there. And we're going to have an adjustable rod here. So that'll be our stabilizer this way. So we can adjust it to wherever we want. And that way, I don't have to run this crappy thing. Alright. We're at the old trusty lathe. A Toolux industrial lathe. Thanks Nish for letting me use these U-Butte machinery. So we've got the ball joint. Alright, the power of YouTube, I've done it because I couldn't hold it and be safe at the same time. So I've moved that down to 2 mil off the original ball joint. So now we'll come over to the press. I got one at home, but mine's a This one's a by the foot. But as you can hear, it's raining. Bye! Woo! And down she goes. See? Left of a hole now. Let's see if the ball joint fits. Fucking hope so. I'm not a machinist by any days, but anyway. Give it a shot. Without giving it a shot, people. Give it a shot. If you don't know how to do it, give it a shot. Let somebody... So my calculations, it should fit. There we have it. 2 arms, done. I don't know if you can hear me because the grinder in the background. But oh yeah, look at that. Cool. Beefy. I might chuck 2 welds, just a tap welds down the bottom, just for safety. So these used to be circuits in there, so. Have a look at that. Customization. Cheesy, you've done it again. Unreal. VT, Hyundai. VT, Hyundai. Make babies. Almost time to put the body on. Fingers crossed. But we're on track. It's all good. It's all good. So 2 become 1. So yeah, I think we've done 5 hours work on it. So yeah, getting there. Half. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Pretty progress. It's a bit of a short video this time, but anyway. Back home now. So now I've got to fix the Flatty and the Ranger. I've got some tyres at work, but I didn't take the Ranger this morning, so now I've got to fix the puncture repair. Fun. And it's raining. Even better. Those moments when you feel like you get really screwed over. Emergency kit. I got tyres at work. Just couldn't get there with it. Oh, let's fix it. Got it. Little tackle like that. Makes a big hole like that. Tech screws are good, but they're shit when they're on the road. Bloody thing just cost me 20 bucks. Well, get new tyres anyway, but doesn't matter. Got it. Got seals. Now just trim off the excess and happy days. It's very hard one-handed. Anyway, you get the drift. How good does a rain sound on a tin roof? And also, one of King's marquee for the Gemini. Because we meant to take that out yet tomorrow, but ain't happening. But hey, again, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry it's a short video, but how's that XL looking? Awesome. So yeah, again, she's on there, she's on the way. Big thanks to Todd. Todd came out and gave me a hand. Appreciate it, mate. Yeah, so happy days. See ya.